Hello, Mellie Beane here, and today we're going to learn how to draw a koala bear. I'm going to be using a pencil, a dark gray, a light pink, black, 2 shades of brown, 2 shades of green, 1 white gel pen, a pink gel pen, and a gray gel pen. But you can use whatever you have. On the right side of your page, you're going to draw a tree, so 2 lines going down. Now, just touching the side of the tree, we're going to start drawing an egg shape. So it's going to get a little more narrow right here, and then at the bottom it's wider, but you can see that it's tilting away from the tree. Now, right up at the top of that egg shape, we're going to start drawing a circle, but like right in the middle, right here in the top, you're going to start drawing the circle going over to the right. And when you come around, the top part of the circle is going to be more round, but then right when you get about right here, you're going to start kind of making the bottom of the circle a little more flat than the top part of it. So it's a little bit less round, but it's still round. But even if you drew a circle, just a regular circle, that would be fine too. So here on the left side, we're going to draw a little shape like this, and these are the koala bear's ears. So right about where the head meets the body, right here, we're going to start drawing a curved line that comes around and kind of down a little bit. Then you're going to stop it right about there. Then right here, from it's like the koala's elbow right there, and then it comes up in a straight line. And then another one like this, almost like you're going to draw a triangle. Now going straight up here, we're going to draw the fingers of the koala. They're kind of like little triangles. Then a little curve, and then the finger going up here. And try not to get discouraged when you are doing hands, because they just take a lot of practice. So when you draw the first finger, then you're drawing the next one basically behind it. So the line's going to come off of the other line. I probably need to do a whole tutorial on this just so it's easier to explain. And then the last one is a smaller finger. So just kind of try to copy what I did there. If you need to pause the video and look at that, then just do that and copy that. Here on the bottom, we're going to draw another oval shape. And it's going to run right through about the middle of the koala's body. And then there's going to be another little oval inside of this oval. Just like that. This is going to be the koala's back legs. And then here, we're going to start drawing his little toes. So you're going to kind of draw a line going up and then a curve going back. Then you're going to go right above that and do another curve, and then another line behind that first toe. Just like that. And then coming from the side of the face, we're going to draw a line. And this is the front of the koala's body, which is behind his arm. And then right here where the head meets the body, we're going to draw a little line here to meet it right there. Now I'm going to erase that line that goes through the face. because we don't need that. Just kind of erasing that one there and the one on the arm, anything that isn't really needed anymore. And make sure to erase that line that is also going through his arm from the tree trunk, because I will probably do that in a minute, but I think I forgot to do it right here. So now we're going to start drawing the face, and his nose is going to go right about the top of it, about the middle of that circle. It's going to curve in a little bit, and then you draw another curve on the bottom. It's kind of like a little bit of an hourglass shape. Just like that. Now that we got the basic shape, we're going to go ahead and do two little curves on the bottom, almost like the top of a heart would be. And now we'll draw a little curve there for the mouth. And then we're going to draw each eye with about the bottom of the eye, even with the top of the nose. So going out from the side of the nose, you'll see the bottom of the eye is about where the top of the nose is. Now right here, we're going to draw another little circle inside the ear on both sides. And then another one inside that. Just cleaning up the mouth a little. And now you're going to take a dark gray and we're going to outline our koala. Now remember that you can use whatever colors you want to use on your koala. I encourage you to be unique and do it just like you would want to do it. But if you want to follow along with me and learn from how I do it, I think that's great too. What kind of trees do koalas like to eat? I'm pretty sure it's eucalyptus trees. Maybe they eat other things, but I'm pretty sure they do like the eucalyptus tree. They think they're delicious. Now right here where his neck is and where the tummy is, I'm going to fill that in a little bit more with the gray to make a shadow since he's up against the tree. Now I'm going to use my light gray. If you don't have a light gray, you can use like a tan or something like that, but just something that's a lighter color. If you wanted to make your koala pink though, you could do that. So we're just going to fill in basically everything that we didn't color with the dark gray with this light gray, other than the eyes and the nose. We're going to leave those alone. Go ahead and get your black, and we're going to draw the koala's claws. So you just need to do one little tiny dot basically on the end of each finger and the end of each toe. And then actually I'm outlining the nose right now, but we're going to go ahead and get a little pencil or something, and you're going to draw two tiny rectangles tilting down and in. that's basically his nostrils. So maybe so you can see it a little bit closer. Now we're actually going to fill in the nose except for those little rectangles. You'll be able to see the rectangles better when I fill this in. Or you could just do 2 tiny little dots, I guess, for the nostrils, little circles. That would be easy. And then you fill in the eyes. Now go ahead and grab a shade of brown and we're going to start coloring in the tree. Just kind of scribbling it in because eucalyptus trees kind of have, their bark is really rough and kind of peeling. Now we're going to get our other shade of brown and we're just going to kind of fill in the spots that we didn't color in with the other color. It can be really rough. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to draw a little squiggly branch. And then little shapes of leaves. They're kind of like little ovals but pointed on the end. I'm going to take my other shade of green and I'm going to fill it in. Now I'm going to take a light pink, fill in those nostrils, using a light pink gel pen. Now I'm using a gray gel pen and I'm just squiggling on the ears. Just squiggle, squiggle, doesn't need to be perfect. Just trying to make him look a little more hairy. And then around the face, basically everywhere that we outlined the koala with the gray, we're using this gel pen and just kind of squiggling. And you can actually, if you have a gray gel pen, you can really go crazy with this and you could squiggle it on the body too, which I think would look great. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this around basically the whole koala. I'm going to get a white one and I'm going to go around all the light gray with the white, but you can put this wherever you want it. I'm squiggling it on the face of the koala and on the arms and the body. A little on the top of the nose for a highlight, a little above each nostril. And one little dot in the same spot on each eye. Look, now he's super cute. Thanks for drawing with me today. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to check out the other videos that I have. I make new ones all the time.